That skill presents volume. The volume of a three-dimensional shape is the amount of space inside it. In this video, we're going to learn how to find the volumes of some common shapes. For a rectangular prism, with length L, width W and height H, the volume is given as the product of length and width and height. So for a prism whose length is, let's say, 5 centimeters, width is 3 centimeters and height is 2 centimeters, the volume is given as 5 centimeters times 3 centimeters times 2 centimeters, which is equal to 5 times 3 is 15, 15 times 2 is 30, centimeters times centimeters times centimeters is cubic centimeters or centimeter cube. This is how you write down the unit for volume. It's always going to be the unit of length raised to the third power, because it's pretty much about multiplying 3 lengths. A cube is a special type of a rectangular prism in which all sides measure the same length. The length, width and height, they're all equal. So if we call each side as S, we have a S on the length, S on the width and S on the height, and therefore the volume is given as S times S times S, also written as S cubed or S raised to the third power. And if each side, let's say, is equal to 3 millimeters, the volume of such a cube would be 3 millimeters times 3 millimeters times 3 millimeters, which is equal to 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 millimeters cubed. A cylinder is another special type of a prism with circular ends. If the length or the height of the cylinder is denoted by the letter H, that's the distance between the two circular ends, and if each of the two identical circles in the end have a radius of R, the volume of the cylinder is given as the area of each circle, that is pi times R square, multiplied with the length or the height of the cylinder, which is H. So the volume is pi R square H. So for a cylinder whose circles have a radius of, let's say, 3 centimeters, and the height of the cylinder is, let's say, 7 centimeters, the volume is given as pi times 3 centimeters square times 7 centimeters. So this is equal to pi times 3 times 3 is 9 times 7. We have 2 centimeters on this one and another centimeter, so it's cubic centimeters, or 9 times 7 is 63 pi cubic centimeters.